Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this eye look that I paired with an orange lip. This is a fall makeup tutorial, obviously. So makeup look is super easy. It's just how to do like a cat eye shadow or liner effect with the shadow. It's super quick, super easy. This is one of my go-to looks and I love it so much. And this lip is just so fun for fall. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see how to get this fall makeup look, then just keep on watching. Starting with a bare face for this video. So we're going to take some tape first. Actually, no, we're not. We need to prime our eyes first. So I'm using the Smashbox lid primer. I'm just using any sort of like cream eyeshadow down the primer. So I'm gonna go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette and use the shade Poof. I keep these palettes like right on my vanity, so this is usually my go-to. Now we're gonna take some tape and just place this down underneath my eye to kind of create a barrier here. So I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and I'm going to start off with this shade up here and just kind of pack this on right up against the tape and all down across my lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color right here and just keep doing the same thing basically. One of my favorite looks to do that just looks like so, it looks complicated, but it's really just super easy, and it's one of those really good go-to looks of mine. Switch up my brush to something smaller, and this one's also angled. And I'm going to go in with the darker brown here. The same thing, like keeping this really tight, close up against the tape, and then dragging it out across my lash line. And then I'll go back in with my original fluffier brush and just kind of blend that out. Before we go any further, I'm just going to go back with like a big fluffy brush in that light brown, and the light brown again, and just lightly dust this in my crease. You don't have to do this, but I just like to because I kind of feel like the crease of my eye just needs like a little bit of a contour almost. Now I'm going to take like a super precise pointed brush. This is a Sigma E45, and I'm going to go in with this black shade and press this right up against the tape and the lash line. And then going back in with my brushes just to blend this all out. And once you take the tape off, it's like you got a nice eyeliner cat eye type situation going on, all with shadow. I really love doing this look because it really does make your eyes just look so snatched. So I'm just gonna go off camera real quick and just do like all my face base makeup and my eyebrows, throw some bronzer on, and I'll be right back to finish up this look. So now moving on to the lower lash line, going back into the gold palette, I'm going to take the brown shade, the dark brown shade, and just pack this on my lower lash line. This is like an angled flat definer brush. I'm really just gonna keep this like on the outer corner of my lash line, only bringing in the color about halfway through. I don't want to bring it all the way in here like I normally would. And I'm also connecting, oops, that came out a little thick. Connecting the lower lash line color to this wing up here. This side came out a little bit better. I had a little too much product on my brush when I did that one. But anyways, so now I'm just going to mix the two light brown shades on a pencil brush and blend out that lower lash line with it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
this side is coming out just not very good, so just ignore that. It's a little messier than I would normally ever do, and my eye is kind of watering because this is the third makeup tutorial I filmed today. So my eyes have just like had it. So the fact that that one's watering a lot is not helping my messy lower lash line situation. I'm gonna take this like white shade and use this. It looks like a, just gonna highlight my inner corner with this. It's actually pressed glitter, I believe. So I'm being kind of careful with it. It has kind of like a green, like gold shift to it. And again, the fact that my eyes are watering is actually good in this case because it's acting as a good adhesive for this pressed glitter. So whatever. Highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to take this Mary Luminizer by the Balm highlight. I'm almost done with it. And yeah, just use that to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay waterline eye pencil in black and just attempt to line my waterline and tight line. I'm just going to curl my lashes for mascara. I'm using the same one that I can't pronounce from a BoxyCharm. Now for blush, I'm going to take Becca Songbird blush. Really pile that on. So I'm gonna blend that out a little more with a stippling brush. For highlights, I'm going to use Ofra Rodeo Drive.
we'll go through the wastelands, sun rays, and on.
Okay, so now we just have to do lips. So I'm going to do an orange lip for fall. And I don't have any orange lip liner, but I have this Buxom Plump Line lip liner in the shade Undercover. It's like a brown-ish, burnt, I don't know. I think it's supposed to be brown, but we'll just use this. Just a lightly line.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm not going to fill in with the liner though. So the lip I'm going to be using is Ofra Miami Fever. This is a Kathleen Lights shade. And just for some added gloss, I'm going to put on the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the shade Call Me. Oop. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Look down in the description box down below for some of my other videos to check out, and give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Finding life along the way.